Serial romance. Are you in love or afraid to be alone? Have you ever noticed a pattern in your love life? One relationship ends, and before the emotions even settle, another one begins. At first, it feels hopeful, exciting, like this time will be different. But what if it's not about love at all? What if it's about something deeper? Today, we're talking about serial romance psychology. Not to label anyone, not to judge, but to help you see yourself more clearly. Serial romance doesn't mean you don't love deeply. In fact, many serial romantics feel very deeply. It describes a pattern where someone moves quickly from one romantic relationship to another, often without spending much time single. Each relationship feels intense, meaningful, important, but the pattern keeps repeating. And the question isn't, why do relationships end? The real question is, why is being alone so uncomfortable? Let's talk about what's usually happening beneath the surface. For many people, serial romance is connected to attachment. Some of us learned early on that love can disappear, so we cling tightly. Others learn that closeness eventually hurts, so they leave when things get real. And some bounce between both, wanting intimacy but fearing it at the same time. There's also the chemistry of early love, that rush, that spark, the dopamine that makes everything feel alive. But when that fades, as it naturally does, some people mistake calm for boredom and stability, for loss of love. So they leave, not because the relationship failed, but because the high ended. Here's the part we don't talk about enough. Jumping into a new relationship can be a way to avoid loneliness, grief, silence, and sometimes yourself. Being single forces reflection, and reflection can be uncomfortable. So instead of sitting with the pain, a new person becomes the distraction. Not intentionally, not maliciously, just unconsciously. And that's why the same relationship keeps showing up in different bodies. So here's a gentle question for you. When a relationship ends, do you miss the person? Or do you miss being chosen, desired, and not alone? Another question. If you removed romance from your life for a while, would you feel peaceful or panicked? There's no right or wrong answer, only honest ones. Serial romance doesn't mean you're broken. It means there's something inside you asking to be understood, not escaped. Real love isn't just intensity, it's presence, stability, and the ability to sit with yourself without needing someone else to fill the space. Sometimes the most important relationship is the one you haven't learned how to have yet, the one with yourself. If this resonated with you, take a moment to sit with it. And if you think someone else might need this conversation, share it with them. We heal faster when we understand ourselves better.